Xiaomi 17 Pro Max versus iPhone 17 Pro Max, the ultimate showdown. Hold on your hats, folks, because both of these behemoths boast a jaw-dropping 6.9-inch display. The iPhone struts in with its mind-blowing Super Retina XDR OLED and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi pulls out all the stops with its AMOLED panel that shines like a thousand suns at a staggering 3500 nits brightness. And let's not forget HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision and that magical adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120Hz plus. It has a rare secondary display that's like having a sidekick in your pocket. Now let's talk about cameras. The iPhone comes armed with a triple thread setup, a stunning 48MP main lens, an ultra-wide lens and a 4x telephoto that will make you feel like damn professional photographer. But wait, Xiaomi not here to play second fiddle. It flaunts triple 50MP Leica lenses with a mind-blogging 5x periscope zoom, and let's not forget about that 50MP selfie camera that's basically a passport to Instagram stardom. Performance. Get ready for some serious power. The iPhone's A19 Pro Chip and 12GB RAM are impressive, but Xiaomi comes in swinging with its Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and a jaw-dropping 16GB RAM. I mean, who needs that much power? Well, if you want to feel like a tech god, this is the way to go. Now, battery life is where the battle gets intense. The iPhone's 5000 mAh battery is nothing to scoff off with 40 watts wired charging and 15 watts MagSafe. But Xiaomi is out here flexing with a colossal 7500 mAh battery with a mind-blowing 100 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging and 22.5 watts reverse charging. It's like having a damn power plant in your pocket. Design. Aesthetic matter, right? The iPhone boasts a sleek titanium frame and ceramic shield too that screams luxury, but Xiaomi, oh boy, it's wrapped in dragon crystal glass with a sexy curved design and that tray display that's bound to turn heads faster than a speeding bullet. Let's talk numbers. The iPhone comes in at a jaw-dropping price 1,49,900 for 256GB variant. Meanwhile, Xiaomi swoops in like a hero with a price tag around 70 to 80,000 rupees. I mean, come on, what HD. So what's the bottom line? The iPhone reigns supreme with its flawless software, rock solid stability and seamless ecosystem, but Xiaomi is the powerhouse of innovation and offers insane value for your hard-earned cash. So which one would you choose? The classic icon or the daring innovator? The choice is yours, and damn, it's a tough one.